Hi, I'm Physio Meghna Dave. I'm the founder and CEO of HealthQ Rehab. I am a neurorehabilitation physiotherapist who later on turned into a YouTuber and now an entrepreneur. My vision with HealthQ Rehab is to ensure that we should be able to help 1 billion people across the globe to move better in their life. The journey of HealthQ Rehab began a couple of years back when I stumbled upon a study by WHO which showed that 2.3 billion people across the globe will need physiotherapy and rehabilitation services by 2030. The study highlighted 4 important challenge areas to make sure that the physiotherapy services are available to people. The first biggest challenge was lack of awareness itself. Many of the people don't know how and when physiotherapy can help them. The second big challenge is lack of advocacy about physiotherapy and rehabilitation services from other medical fraternity. The third challenge is lack of accessibility. Even though the urban cities has got good access to physiotherapy and rehabilitation services, the remote areas in the country and tier 2 and tier 3 cities of the country still face challenge when it comes to finding quality physiotherapy and rehabilitation services. And the last but not the least challenge that study identified was an out-of-pocket expense. Majority of time, rehabilitation services are not covered in insurance, and this is one of the biggest reason people drop off and don't take their services for a long period of time. That's not all. When we were doing our own research, where we were interviewing a lot of people, we also found out that the lack of engagement in the entire therapy program was also acting as a very big barrier in encouraging people to stick or hooked to the rehabilitation services. And when we were doing our own research, when we were trying to reach out to patients, talk to our patients, we also identified that lack of engagement in physiotherapy session was one very important factor which made people discontinue their physiotherapy services. When we reached out to patients and we interviewed them, we also found out that the patients who found the therapy more engaging were more likely to stay continued with the therapy programs. Engagement plays a very crucial role. Patients' motivation plays a very crucial role when it comes to continuation of physiotherapy services for a long period of time. Physiotherapy is not a procedure, it's a process. And we want to ensure that we be the partners of our patients throughout their journey, throughout their process of recovery, of healing, of getting better. That's why we decided with HealthQ Rehab, we are going to be completely phygital. We combine online, offline, and home care services. At the same time, we also combine group care services as our programs because we genuinely believe that no matter what kind of physiotherapy service a patient needs, no matter when they need it, how they need it, we should be able to provide it to them. We also decided that we are going to keep our physiotherapy services multi-speciality in nature. We have brought a multi-speciality approach when it comes to our therapeutic programs. The 4 key areas where we follow when it comes to rehabilitating our patients is neurological rehabilitation, pediatric physiotherapy, musculoskeletal physiotherapy, and women's health physiotherapy. And third most important thing that we keep in mind while designing our approach is the fact that we are very much process and framework driven versus a procedure driven. Last but not the least, we ensure that we have a very much program or framework driven approach. We don't rely on a single procedure or multiple type of procedures to ensure that we can help patients. We believe that we should be there with our patients throughout their journey of recovery, throughout their journey of healing, throughout their journey of overcoming an impairment. And we ensure that we should be able to provide them various solutions, various options of treatment throughout this process. Till now, we have been fortunate enough to help around 10,000 plus patients using different modes, different mediums, online, virtual, group, physical one-on-one, home care, etc. And our vision is very big. We want to serve patients globally, and that's why we are here as a team with a very long-term mission. And we believe that one day, for sure, we would be able to help 1 billion people across the globe with the help of our physiotherapy and rehabilitation services.